Investing with Fidelity can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. To begin, open a Fidelity account by visiting their website or mobile app and providing the required personal and financial information. Once your account is set up, fund it by transferring money from your bank account or other financial institutions. Next, determine your investment goals and risk tolerance. Are you looking for long-term growth or short-term gains? Are you comfortable with high-risk investments or do you prefer more conservative options? Fidelity offers a range of investment products, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, so it is essential to choose the ones that align with your goals and risk tolerance. Fidelity also provides various investment tools and resources to help you make informed decisions. Their research platform offers real-time market data, analyst reports, and investment recommendations. You can also use their portfolio analysis tool to track your investments and identify areas for improvement. When selecting individual investments, consider factors such as historical performance, fees, and overall portfolio diversification. Diversification is crucial to minimizing risk and maximizing returns. So make sure to spread your investments across different asset classes and sectors. Another key concept to understand is dollar cost averaging, which involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. This strategy can help reduce the impact of market volatility and timing risks. In terms of best practices, it is essential to start investing early and consistently, as this allows you to take advantage of compound interest and long-term growth. Additionally, avoid emotional decision-making and stay informed about market trends and economic conditions. Finally, consider consulting with a financial advisor or using Fidelity's robo-advisory services to create a personalized investment plan. These resources can provide tailored recommendations and help you achieve your investment goals. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a successful investment strategy with Fidelity and achieve your long-term financial objectives. Remember to stay disciplined, informed, and patient, and you will be well on your way to investment success.